What up, guys? It's kind of early. It's like 5 something, 5:30, 5:40. But it's officially the day to go to Kansas. So we're gonna head out. It's supposed to be really nice all week, so we're gonna get there and unpack and hopefully kick some butt. We're about 2.5 hours in. We just had to make a stop because I had to pee really bad. But yep, now we're gonna get some McDiddleys and get back on the road. Alright, I think we're in Kansas now. We've driven about six something hours today.
I don't think we're in Kansas yet.
Where are we? I actually don't know where we are.
Missouri.
Yeah, I'm not very good at driving.
We're in Missouri.
I can drive, I just don't know directions very well. So we're in Missouri.
And I'm the bad navigator.
Yeah, you are actually.
I'm not a bad navigator.
But
Well, you
so
said
we
you
are
should turn here.
so we're gonna get some gas and hit the road again. We're in Missouri and we've passed Uranus's candy something pleasure zone.
3 dead armadillos.
What's your
Tobacco barn right there.
3 dead armadillos on the side of the road. Never saw one in real life. Saw 3 dead ones. So it's been a good day.
Missouri's been lit. And this fantastic. Well, we just had about 10 miles worth of some other cavern billboards, and now we've got fantastic caverns.
We're not going to advertise them because there's already enough advertisements for them. So
It's not a sponsored ad.
Now we got the tater patch.
Yes, please.
Okay, we are here now. We're in Pittsburgh, Kansas, which is approximately 0.1 miles into Kansas. And it's raining, and there's supposed to be rain now the rest of the week, so hopefully that doesn't affect us. Because I don't think we're going to get our money back.
it sounds like Tom's going to have to go around and touch a lot of vehicles to try to break them as best as he can.
How's the weather, Wally?
Trust.
It's raining sideways!
We're now situated in Pittsburgh, Kansas. We got RJ, we got Curtis, we got our rental car, or rental truck. And looks like Tom and Jason trying to do something with it, but it looks like there's a decent amount of teams already here. Some of them brought some really nice cars, which doesn't make sense because most of the people here are broke-ass college students, but okay, so we're gonna unpack our things and it's day 1 of the competition. We've got a cost presentation today. We got Craig and Jason. They're loading up, heading out to Pittsburgh State University in Kansas. So we're gonna follow them, and we're gonna hopefully get some stuff set up. We gotta take our CVT off, and yeah, it's gonna be a busy day. We have to give a cost presentation on like return on investment and other stuff that we don't know about. So let's see what happens.
You want to talk about BSing a report? This was college at its finest.
Hold my beer and watch this. How do you think our cost presentation is going to go?
Oh, we're going to nail it, bro.
We're going to walk in there and own this. Just kidding. We come up with something last night. So I'm not sure entirely how this is going to go down. I'm digging these walking walking paths here. This is way nicer than in Dayton.
Dude, ours are.
Maybe it's a bike path. I think it's a bike path.
Ours are way nicer.
Yeah.
This is nice, man.
No, ours have stone.
Yeah, okay. We got some more schools here. UMKC. I'm not sure. What's that? Missouri, Kansas City. Yeah, okay.
One like that. Dude, they have a trailer for competitions I've never even heard of.
I apologize if it's kind of loud. We got our tent set up, we got our car, we got all our chairs, we got our big enterprise truck, but we're working on getting this all up and running. There's a lot of teams here. There's a couple things. We got Jason, but a couple things we got to do is to pass tech inspection. They got to take the engine out and the CVT out, and this has got to be exposed to make sure we didn't mess with anything. They don't want us cheating. Other than that, we still got to get this line. Need some more new brand new tires. We got Tom here, per usual. Yeah, one of two things he's gonna say: send it and rate her up. So we are heading back to Pittsburgh State to their main campus. RJ and I are about to drop some Shark Tank on these guys and give them the best sales pitch they've ever seen. To be honest with you, we came up with this in about a half hour, so I'm not entirely sure what this is gonna be like, but we're gonna go and do that. There's a lot of schools here, a lot of competitive schools. Hopefully we can provide a good cost presentation and just move on with it to our technical inspection. Okay, we just got out of our sales presentation, and it actually went a lot better than anticipated. They hit us with some questions about how we were going to market this and how we were going to utilize this, bring this to consumers, and I think we hit everything as we should. And I mean, the fact that we made this just a short while before we went in there, and we walked in there and every single person had a suit or a polo on, and I'm in here with a sweaty t-shirt, and RJ's got boots on. So, you know, I think it went well, but according to Dr. B, we might have a frame issue, so we're heading back to our station, and we're gonna see what's wrong with it. Hopefully nothing's wrong with it, and we can get it fixed and up and driving. Okay, it's day 2 of SAE Kansas. Still got Daubert here. Yesterday we spent the day essentially getting some last minute stuff put on the car. Today is our tech inspection. We're number 84, so we'll probably go sometime in the afternoon. And then our design presentation, I'm pretty sure, is at like 3:45 or something. So we got some time. We need to go down, meet Dr. B. Well, we still got a couple things we need to fix. So we're gonna get to it. It is day 3. I'm sorry if I'm a little quiet, but we ran into quite a few issues yesterday. Starting with our seat, we had to change this entire seat out. So we had a Jegs racing seat that was plastic. There was nowhere in the rules that says you couldn't use plastic, but we couldn't use that. So we had to go back and put this 2 sheets of metal in here. And apparently this is a safer seat than the seat we had. So we have this foam pad. We got one up here. We had to add some members back here. But hopefully we're gonna go back for round 2 of tech and be good to go.
A few moments later.